Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to change remote desktop port number using group policy in Windows Server 2022. And why IT administrator changing remote desktop default port number, which is 3389. The IT administrator changed the remote port number to enhance security. The default port number for remote desktop protocol is 3389, which is a well-known port and is often targeted by hackers. Changing the port number to a non-standard one can make it harder for attackers to locate, exploit your remote desktops. You can change the listening port for remote desktop on your computer by modifying the registry. So step by step you can learn. Please watch entire video. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open Server Manager and click on local server, and this is the computer name master and domain name is techglob.local, and make sure that the remote desktop is enabled or not. So I'm going to click on that and select allow remote connection to this computer and select user, and Calvin is user, and click OK and apply, then click on OK again. Open run command and type regedit, expand the H key local machine and expand system and expand current control set, expand again control and scroll down terminal server, expand again, click on Win Stations, expand, click on RDP TCP. Okay, so now here you can see the default remote desktop port is 3389. Okay, and now I'm going back to the server manager and select tools, group policy management, and right click default domain policy, click on edit. Under computer configurations, expand preferences and expand Windows settings, click on registry, right click and select new and click on registry wizard, local computer, click on next, and here you need to expand H key local machine and expand system, and below you can see here current control set, expand, again control, expand, scroll down terminal server, expand again, Win Station, expand. Here you need to select RDP TCP. Okay, then scroll down below the remote desktop port number, which is 3389. Okay, so I'm gonna select this and click on finish. Now registry wizard selected here. Okay, then I'm going to open all the container, open again. After opening all container, port number properties, the value data is default, you can see here. So I'm going to click on decimal, and this is the port number 3389. Here I'm going to type, in my case, 45454, click on apply, then click OK. Now I'm going back to run command and type here cmd, hit enter, update the group policy. Once the group policy has been updated, the other command netstate space -an and hit enter. And as you can see here, the listening port, the default port number is changed, 3389, now 45454. Okay, so now I'm going to open firewall settings, open run and type wf.msc and hit enter. On the firewall settings, click on inbound rules and this is the default remote desktop port number 3389. So I'm going to right click on inbound rules, select new rule. The role type, I'm going to add new port number, then click on port and click on next and select TCP, and the port number is 45454 and click on next and allow the connection. Click on next. Make sure that domain private and public is selected and click on next. Remote desktop connection custom name you can enter here. In my case, remote new port 45454 and click on finish. Here you can see remote new port is added. Okay, 45454, and we need to disable the existing remote port. Select these three rules and right click and disable rule. Okay, now this three rules is disabled, and now I'm going back to client computer, which is Windows 10. Open run command and type cmd. Here also we need to update the group policy. And once the group policy is updated, open run command and type mstsd and hit enter. And here I'm going to enter the server name master, or else you can enter the IP address. Okay, then click on connect. Now here you can see the server is trying to connect. The remote desktop connection is not accessible because we have already changed the remote desktop port number. So this is the error message. I'm going to close this and type after computer name, type colon, and the new port number is 45454 and click on connect. Now you can see here I'm getting connection. Okay, enter the credential. Okay, and I'm going to enter the administrator username and password and click on OK. And now as you can see, the new port number trying to access remote desktop connection. Now here you can see we have successfully logged in the remote desktop connection. Okay, now I'm going to check again the other command. Open run and type cmd and hit enter. Type the command prompt netstate -n and hit enter. And now here you can see the new port number is established. Alright, this is the way how to changing remote desktop port number. And dear all viewers, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.